Here we go.
I miss a bee. It's my brother. It's my Oh my God. That's your brother?
Ooh, Hunter, you're the happy one. What about you, Spencer?
Let's be in the young time. Get an idea.
Hi. Oh no, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, I need to get you guys closer together so we can make this a little bit better video. Oh, here we go. Hi.
Mommy use that all the time. Mommy use that all the time. Mommy use that every other time.
How you guys doing, huh?
He's being chin.
Are they being so cheerful?
Yeah, he's being careful with my brother.
Hi. Hi. Come on, you guys were giving me grins and talks earlier today. Hi.
Wake up! I'm holding the other one.
Hi. Hey guys. What's up? What you doing, huh?